Wow, it is so big. Where do I go?
Departures, arrivals, I do not understand.
Hello there. Are you lost?
Yes, I need to fly to London.
Okay. First, we go to the check-in desk. Okay, let's go.
Oh no! My passport! Where is my passport?
It is okay. Look in your pocket.
I found it! Here is my passport!
Hello. Ticket and passport, please. Here you go. Hello. Here is my ticket and passport. Thank you, young man. I'll just check these. Thank you. You're all set. Have a wonderful trip.
Please put your bag on the scale.
I am sorry. Your bag is too heavy. You can wear your big jacket, Leo.
Okay, now the bag is light.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass.
Gate 12. Where is Gate 12?
Go through security first, then find the gate.
Stop, please. Step back. Do you have keys or coins?
Oh, I have 3 coins. I am sorry.
Put them in the tray, please. Thank you.
You are good to go. Have a safe flight.
Thank you! Goodbye!
Excuse me! That is my jacket.
Here you go. Do not forget it.
Thank you so much!
You're very welcome, Leo.
Gate 12. Turn right. I can do this. I am a good traveler. I can do this. I am a good traveler. I can do this. I am a good traveler. London Flight 404. Let's see.
Oh no! Gate 42? It changed!
Maya, help! Where is gate 42? Leo, what's wrong? I'm late. I can't find my gate. Okay, calm down. Let me see your ticket. Gate 42 is very far. You must take the airport train. Get on the train. Stop at Terminal B. Wow. This airport is like a city. Terminal B. Please watch your step. I am very hungry, but I only have $5.
$10 for a burger? That is too expensive.
Hello. How much is the apple and water? The apple is $1 and the water is $1.50. Okay, thank you. That is $4, please. Here is $1 change.
Flying is hard work.
My boarding pass! Where did it go? Where did it go? I cannot fly without my ticket!
Excuse me, young man. Is this yours?
Yes! Thank you, sir! Thank you so much!
You must be careful. Airports are busy places.
I am Leo. This is my first time flying.
Your first time? Ha!
I remember my first flight. I was very scared.
I was scared too.
London is a beautiful city. I live there.
Is that our plane?
Yes, it is. A big one.
Wow! It's so huge!
It is 2 o'clock. We board soon.
Attention. Flight 404 to London is delayed.
Oh no, our flight is delayed.
Patience, Leo. These things happen.
Delayed? What does delayed mean?
Will I miss Grandma's birthday party?
No, it is only delayed by 1 hour. You will be fine.
Oh! I have 1 hour. I need to buy a gift.
I want to buy what is the word?
It is warm. You wear it on your neck in winter.
Yes, a scarf. I will take it, please. Of course, dear. Here you go. Thank you so much. You're very welcome. Enjoy it. Here is your gift. Have a wonderful trip.
Grandma will love this red scarf.
Final boarding call for flight 404 to London. Final call.
Oh no, they are leaving. Excuse me, coming through. Excuse me, coming through.
There you are, Leo! Hurry up! Hurry up! We're going to miss it!
I'm coming!
Come on, let's go!
Ticket, please. Welcome aboard, Leo. We made it. We are going to fly.
Are you ready for your first flight, Leo?
Yes, I am ready. Grandma, here I come. Subscribe and follow Learn English Method.